Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor storage solutions with a focus on the Mrosaa outdoor storage cabinet. If you're looking for the best waterproof storage option for your patio or garden, this might just be the one for you. The Mrosaa outdoor storage cabinet stands out with its robust build and practical design. Made from 100% HDPE durable UV-resistant resin, it's built to withstand the elements, ensuring years of reliable use. It boasts dimensions of 34.3 inches in length, 15 inches in width, and a height of 36.2 inches, offering a generous 60-gallon capacity. This cabinet comes equipped with one metal shelf, maximizing storage efficiency and keeping your outdoor essentials organized. Assembly is a breeze thanks to clear instructions and individually labeled parts, making setup straightforward even for beginners. One of its standout qualities is its durability. The Mrosaa cabinet is rust-less, color-fast, and of course, waterproof. This means you can leave it outside year-round without worrying about rain or snow damaging your stored items. Whether it's tools, toys, shoes, or pool accessories, this cabinet offers ample space to keep your outdoor area tidy and clutter-free. The smooth surface makes cleaning effortless. A quick rinse with a water gun and a wipe down is all it takes. Now, let's address what users are saying. While some mention it as a great value, it's always good to consider different perspectives. To give you a broader picture, we compared it with other similar products. The Mrosaa cabinet holds its own with competitive pricing and features that make it a top contender in the outdoor storage market. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable outdoor storage solution that combines durability, weatherproofing, and ease of use, the Mrosaa outdoor storage cabinet is definitely worth considering. It's designed to enhance your outdoor space while keeping your belongings safe and organized. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy organizing!